The Ayia Napa Aqueduct is one of the most important surviving monuments in the city. It was originally built by the Romans. In the Middle Ages, when the construction of the monastery began, the aqueduct was reconstructed and lengthened. It supplied water to the monastery and the entire region for hundreds of years. The high arch in the wall was intended for the flow of the river, which the water pipeline crossed in this place. The aqueduct had stone reservoirs at 2 points along its route for settling heavy impurities. At the same time, these intercepting tanks contributed to the smooth flow of water at the beginning of each turn. Reaching the monastery of Ayia Napa, the water exited there through a boar's head carved in marble. Another pipe diverted water to a fountain in the center of the courtyard. The length of the trail along the aqueduct is 400 meters, perfect distance for walking early in the morning or in the evening. The aqueduct was active until the end of the 19th century, which is confirmed by old photographs of women drawing water from the monastery fountain.